Are you ready, Kuya? For the capitals? Okay. What's the capital of Colombia?
Bogota.
Capital of Nepal?
Kathmandu.
Capital of Sri Lanka? Sri Lanka. Go.
Colombo.
What's the capital of Hungary?
Budapest.
Capital of UAE?
Abu Dhabi.
Capital of
Abuja.
Nigeria?
Abuja.
Uganda? You forgot Uganda? Oh my. Think.
Don't know.
Come.
Kampala.
Capital of Madagascar?
Antananarivo.
Very good. Morocco?
Rabat.
Zimbabwe?
No.
Zimbabwe? You know that? No, Zimbabwe. Huh?
Harare.
Cuba?
Havana. I should fast.
Very fast. Spain?
Madrid.
France?
Paris.
Russia?
Manila.
No, Russia.
Moscow.
Mexico?
Mexico City.
Venezuela?
Caracas.
Costa Rica? Costa Rica, think. Costa Rica. No, you know that. You know that.
What is it?
San
San Jose.
Guatemala.
Guatemala City.
Qatar.
Doha.
Kuwait.
Great City.
Capital of Jordan.
Jordan.
Oh, sleepy. Jordan.
Amman.
Louder.
Amman.
Capital of India.
New Delhi.
Capital of Bangladesh.
Dhaka.
Switzerland.
Bonn.
Very good. Netherlands. Netherlands.
Amsterdam.
Capital of Germany.
Berlin.
Capital of China.
Beijing.
Capital of Thailand.
Bangkok.
Vietnam.
Hanoi.
Cambodia.
Phnom Penh.
Indonesia.
Caracas. Jakarta.
Caracas. Jakarta. Malaysia. 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 You forgot Malaysia?
Canberra.
No, Malaysia.
Hungary.
Oh my God, Malaysia.
I don't know. Kabul.
No. Malaysia.
Kuala Lumpur.
USA.
Washington DC.
Australia. Australia.
Canberra.
Very good. Brazil.
Brasilia.
Panama.
Panama City.
Canada.
Ottawa.
Philippines.
Manila.
Last is Quebec.
Quebec City.
Yeah. Bravo. Bravo si Kuya.
Shit.
What do you want to watch?
No,
The video?
Yes.